This video is for the sellers, 4 improvements that are going to increase the value of your property. Now, these aren't necessarily going to increase the value the most, but they're going to be the most cost-effective and biggest bang for your buck improvements. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Dargay, Realtor with eXp Realty and the Affinity Group, helping buyers find their next home and sellers get big bucks for their home when it comes time to sell. Okay, improvement number 1 is simple. It's cleaning and decluttering your home, right? Go through your home, clean everything, get any stench you got going on out of there, and get any, dirt, dust, anything out of the way, because those things immediately deter anyone from, wanting to buy your house. And go ahead and declutter your house, right? Get rid of any junk or anything you got piled up. We want buyers to come through the house and be able to visualize their own belongings and furniture laid out the way they want to, right? Having junk, laid around and your own personal belongings there just makes it so much harder for them, right? So just go through, clean the house, declutter it. Super quick and easy, and you can do it yourself. So improvement number 2 is going to be getting a fresh coat of paint on the interior of your home. Right now, any shade of gray is in. Super simple, super easy to get, a new layer of paint up. You can either hire someone to do it or you can do it yourself. It's gonna be extremely cost effective. It's gonna brighten up all your rooms and also just modernize the house. Now, before I move forward, I just wanna say number 1 and 2, I know they're super quick, super simple, but these 2 things above anything else are going to get you the most amount of money in return. So improvement number 3 is any minor kitchen update you can make, right? Unless the rest of the house is completely updated, I probably wouldn't do a full-blown kitchen remodel, but picking and choosing just some small updates you can do in the kitchen. Maybe it's cabinets, maybe it's countertops, or maybe it's some new appliances, right? But you wanna make sure they mix and match. You don't want to have super old cabinets with brand new granite countertops, and you don't want old beat up countertops with brand new cabinets, right? I'd kind of pick and choose what makes it look modernized without doing a full all out remodel of the kitchen. The kitchen is the corner piece of the house. It's the centerpiece of the house. So if you could sell someone on the kitchen, you could sell someone on the house. Improvement number 4 is gonna be anything that improves the curb appeal of your home, right? The first impression buyers have on your home. If you have some beat up old siding on the home, maybe I'd look into, getting new siding. Landscaping is always something that'll make your home more visually pleasing as well. If you have an old beat up garage door, I'd look into getting a brand new garage door. Maybe it's the porch. And in some areas, I'd look at the back deck, maybe putting in a new back deck or just fixing up the back deck to make it look nice. If you guys found value in this video, we ask that you leave a comment, subscribe, and like. If you didn't, don't bother subscribing, but still leave us a comment. Let us know what you'd like to see more of or what you didn't like. See you on the next one.